Hi everyone, welcome back to our small engineer tutorial and welcome to our mailbag. Today we have these two parcels come from the Australia Post. So we'll have a look at what's inside, and I'm very interested to see what's inside. So let's have a look. So let's start with this one. Wow, it's the bunch of lawnmower carburetors. It's beautiful. And unfortunately there's some damage, and this is one from one of these carburetors damaged. That's the throttle. Too bad. I think it's one from here. This is also damaged here. Well, it's nice. It was packaged nicely packaged with bubble wrap, but all the carburetors is just chopped together, and then it's hitting each other, and then just breaks. Crazy. It's not a good idea. It's not a great packaging. It's well packaged from outside, but the inside is it's just see that everything is bunched together, and just breaks, especially with the plastic lever. So there's a couple of carburetors that all different carburetors, and this is good that I purchased one, and for the purpose of rebuilding all these carburetors if I have time, and showing you how to rebuild all these different types of carburetors. And this one, this is from the Guardian line, or things, especially with this red fuel shut off valve. And this is one for Tecumseh. It looks like a Tecumseh. This is a Royxene carburetor, and you tell me which, if you have a similar engine that using this type of carburetor, and we will rebuild this one, and just give you a list, and then when you have time we will rebuild all these type of carburetors. So I think this one is maybe from the Bridge and Stratton or Tecumseh engine, but this one is here from definitely this is from could be a Chonda, because this one's it's probably the genuine Honda carburetor. This one, this looks like a GX 160 carburetor. No, and this one as well, and yeah, so it's a lot of carburetor, but it's sad that we have a couple of damaged parts, and this is bent, but that's not a big deal because we can straighten this one, and some of these the choke lever is broken, Hopefully there's nothing missing. We have some parts that we can also replace this one. So yes, this is great that we have this carburetor. And the next part is we're going to have a look what is the other part, what's on the other parcel. So let's put this one aside and let's have a look at what did I bought for this one, and for the purpose of repair and tutorial to show you is, let's have a look. Okay, so what we have here is a bunch of ignition coil, all different ignition coil. All different types of ignition coil, and some of them are of a Honda, and this one looks like a bridge and straddle. This one looks like a bridge and straddle, so we'll definitely use this one for our video repair tutorial. If we have some engine which is a faulty ignition coil, we can grab some of this, and we will cover a tutorial on our next video to how to test all these different ignition coil. And if you think that it is very straightforward to test ignition coil, maybe not. And I'll show you exactly what I mean about it's not straightforward to test ignition coil by just resistance rating. And especially with the control switch, especially this part here with this tiny one, testing this one with respect to ground, how do you know that this one is good? And to show you this one, we'll cover on a different video, and I will clearly show you how to test the ignition coil, which most of the video on YouTube that shows you how to test ignition coil is only using the resistance rating, and there's more than that to test with ignition coil to make sure that it's properly working. So well, that's all for now, and it's very exciting to see all this bunch of carburetors and ignition coil. And see you next time, and thanks for watching. We will rebuild this carburetor and we'll test this ignition coil. And please keep tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.